Okay, it's time for our meditation. So I invite you to close your eyes if you're comfortable doing that, or you can just lower them if you prefer. Just sitting with the spine fairly straight and bringing awareness to your breath. The breath is always with us, yet so much of the time we ignore it. So for now, we focus on this life-giving process of breathing. Feeling the breath at the nostrils, the chest, the belly. Just notice where in the body you feel the breath. As you feel the rib cage, the belly, the chest moving. Feel the air passing through the nostrils. In many languages, the word for breath and spirit are identical. So with each breath, it reminds us that God is here. Spirit is here. As life, as love, as wisdom, as abundance. Just the simple act of breathing can bring us home to the awareness of the divine presence. Noticing how each breath takes place in the present moment. Only this breath matters. Not the last one or not the next one, but this one right now. The breath brings us to the present moment. Present moment brings us to awareness of the divine. So we rest for a few minutes in the silence, tuning in to that infinite spirit within you. Resting in the silence. And as we return to the world of sights and sounds and what we call the world around us, we stay connected with his presence of Spirit that's with us and within us every moment of every day. And for this, we are grateful. For this, we give thanks. And we say amen and amen.